You know that old business saying, you can only manage what you can measure?
Oh, yeah, the Peter Drucker classic. It's on like page 1 of the MBA handbook.
Exactly. Well, we're looking at how that specific mantra completely reshaped home building in 2025.
It sounds simple, but in an industry as complex as construction, I bet it's harder than it looks.
It is. Usually when you talk to CEOs, you get a storm of buzzwords, synergies and abstractions.
Total word salad. I hate that stuff.
Right? But this article highlights a regional home building CEO who is totally different. No jargon, just clarity, honesty, and rigor.
That is refreshing. So what's his secret sauce?
He puts it bluntly. If a builder does not have real-time information, they cannot manage their business.
Oof, harsh but true. If you're looking at data from last month, you're driving using the rearview mirror.
Exactly. He says you need a benchmark to judge your decisions immediately to see what's actually working.
No mumbo jumbo there, just facts.
And here's where it gets granular. He says you can't do this at a macro level. You need to do it at the city level for accounting.
That makes sense. Real estate is local, right? What happens in Phoenix isn't happening in Philly.
Precisely. But he goes even further. He says no real change can be implemented if you do not have the correct reports to measure each home.
Wow, measure each home? That is specific.
It's the ultimate accountability. This company uses basic weekly and monthly reports, but they strip out all the noise.
So, no 50-page PDFs that nobody reads?
Nope. It focuses on 3 things. Are we building well? Are we selling well? And are we taking care of customers?
Every metric has a clear owner. I love that. No hiding places.
And here is the plot twist. This isn't about some flashy new AI conference session or a fancy tech deck.
Wait, it's not a tech thing?
Not really. It's what they call the ground-level operationalization of data discipline.
That's a mouthful, but I get it. It's not about the software, it's about the daily habits.
Right. Because they learned the hard way. In a volatile market, clean data is the only thing stopping you from disaster.
Disaster like what?
The list of horrors. Unforced errors, blown closings, busted budgets, unhappy customers.
Ouch. The unforced errors part hurts the most. That's just leaving money on the table.
That's why this was the most consequential move in 2025. Builders realized data discipline isn't a software project.
It's a management system.
Bingo. And the ones moving the fastest are the ones using simple language, not technical jargon.
If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough.
That aligns perfectly with John Sicilian Jr. He works with builders nationwide, and his advice is dead simple.
Let me guess. Keep it real?
Close. No discipline, no results. No clarity, no improvement.
It's the home building CEO's instinct coming to life. You have to do the work to get the clarity.
It really is a culture shift, from guessing and hoping to measuring and managing.
And doing it house by house. I think Peter Drucker would be proud.
I think so too. If you want to hear more, check out the full conversation with John Sicilian.
Definitely worth a listen. Catch you next time.